Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're gearing up your smart home security for 2025, installing an Xfinity Comcast door sensor is a game changer. It helps detect unauthorized entry, sends instant alerts to your phone, and integrates seamlessly with your existing Xfinity system. In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so you can get it done in under 15 minutes. First, let's gather your materials. You'll need the Xfinity door sensor kit, which includes the sensor and its magnetic counterpart, a Phillips screwdriver, batteries, if not included, and your smartphone with the Xfinity app updated to the latest 2025 version. Step 1. Unbox and prepare the sensor. Carefully open the package and insert the batteries into the main sensor unit. Double-check the polarity to avoid any issues, positive to positive, negative to negative. Step 2. Choose the perfect spot. Select a door or window that needs monitoring. The sensor has two parts. One sticks to the frame, and the other goes on the moving part. Ensure they're no more than half an inch apart when the door is closed for accurate detection. Step 3. Mount the sensor securely. Use the provided adhesive strips for a quick install, or drill in the screws for a more permanent setup. Make sure everything is level to prevent false alarms. Step 4. Pair it with your Xfinity app. Open the app, navigate to the Add Device section, and follow the on-screen instructions. The sensor should connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Hold it close to your phone during pairing. Step 5. Test everything out. Close and open the door a few times to verify that the sensor triggers notifications on your app. If it doesn't work, check the battery and ensure the parts are properly aligned. A couple of quick tips. Keep the sensor away from direct sunlight or moisture to extend its lifespan, and regularly update your Xfinity app for new features. That's it. You're now one step closer to a smarter, safer home. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you next time.